This week, I'll just take you through some of the questions that came back from some of the tooltips we sent out in the previous weeks about the probe qualification, mainly on the knife edge. So there were questions asked, why do we have a knife edge on a probe? Why can't we just have it sharp so we don't have to enter the knife edge and that confusion is avoided? But one of the main reasons why we have this knife edge and we maintain it low is a probe when we are trying to find the index position or digitizing on a cutting edge. This is quite a sharp edge, and if you maintain this also as a sharp edge instead of leaving this knife edge, there is every chance that when we have a carbide to carbide contact, there could be small chips on the probe tip. This could damage the probe tip, or alternatively, we could make some microchips or have some damage, small damage on the cutting edge with microchipping. So to avoid this too, that's one of the main reasons why we have a small knife edge which is at the bottom of the probe.